Hello classmates. Welcome to Learn Air Pollution Control Technology. In this lecture, we will learn 1.1 Atmosphere and Air Pollution. This section is divided into 4 knowledge points: the composition and structure of the atmosphere, air pollution, air pollutants, air pollution sources. So what is atmosphere? According to the definition of the International Organization for Standardization (ISO), the atmosphere refers to the total amount of air surrounding the Earth. In its natural state, the atmosphere is composed of various mixtures of gases, composition of water vapor and impurities. The atmosphere has a layered structure. According to the atmosphere, distribution in the direction perpendicular to the Earth's surface. Generally, the atmosphere is divided into the troposphere and stratosphere, 5 layers including the middle layer, warm layer, and escape layer. The troposphere is located on the surface, at an altitude of 12 to 18 kilometers above the sea surface. Strong atmospheric convection. The weather is complex. Temperature decreases with height. There are cumulus clouds present. The weather is complex and variable. The stratosphere is located at the top of the troposphere, until the atmosphere is 50 to 55 kilometers above sea level. Horizontal flow. The temperature increases with height. There is an ozone layer in the middle, can absorb ultraviolet rays. The middle layer is located above the stratosphere, 80 kilometers above sea level. The temperature decreases very quickly with the increase of altitude. Warm layer, located at the top of the middle layer, up to 800 kilometers above the sea surface. The temperature rises rapidly with the increase of altitude. High ionization of gases. The atmosphere above the warm top of the exosphere. The atmosphere is extremely thin, and gas molecules escape into the universe. According to the definition of the International Organization for Standardization (ISO), air pollution usually refers to, due to human activities and natural processes, causing certain substances to enter the atmosphere, present sufficient concentration, achieving sufficient time, and as a result, it endangers the comfort, health, and welfare of the human body, or it could harm the environment. Classmates, please compare this photo of Tiananmen Square in Beijing. On the left is haze. On the right is the blue sky. As a professional in environmental protection, we, students, we need to protect our blue sky even more. Play a good defense battle against the blue sky. Air pollution. According to the scope of pollution, it can be divided into local pollution, regional pollution, widespread pollution, and global pollution. According to the nature of energy and the types of pollutants, divided into coal type. The main pollutants are smoke and sulfur dioxide. Petroleum type, mainly composed of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides. Mixed type, jointly caused by coal and oil. Special type, caused by specific pollutants, such as fluorine and arsenic. Air pollution refers to human activities or natural processes discharged into the atmosphere, substances that have harmful effects on people and the environment. According to their existing forms, they can be divided into gaseous colloidal pollutants. According to the formation process, it can be divided into primary pollutants, pollutants discharged directly from pollution sources, secondary pollutants, primary pollutants and existing components in the air, or chemical reactions occur between several pollutants, and the new substances formed are different from the pollutants in sequence, such as sulfuric acid, smoke, nitric acid, and nitrates, aerosols, photochemical smog, etc. There are 3 main sources of air pollution: fuel combustion, industrial production processes, and transportation. Among them, fuel combustion. Industrial production processes belong to fixed sources. Transportation belongs to mobile sources. Okay, Unit 1.1. That's all for the atmosphere and air pollution. Thank you all.